Well, hello. Thank you for clicking in. This is the haul slash preview for the thrifting video that I did a couple weeks ago and the estate sale. And that video came out last Sunday and I only went last Friday. So this is the haul and the preview for the auction. The auction is on Wednesday, December 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern. And it's going to have everything from there. I know it's the week right before Christmas, so if you want to do an absentee bid, feel free to do that. You can do it via text. The number is 917-809-7250, and the starting bids will all be in the description below this video, maybe, or definitely in the description box below the auction video. I'm going to try and get everything listed in the order that we're going to be going by the time this video goes out. But if you don't see it underneath this video in the description box, it will definitely be, as always, in the description box of the auction itself, and all the information will be there with the starting bids by the time we go live on Wednesday. And I hope you can make it. I know it's probably going to be a light crowd, but I'm really looking forward to this auction. The things in the estate sale were incredible, and I'm starting everything really, really low. Like all of those silver rings that you saw and earrings, I'm just starting them at $20. Doesn't depend, it doesn't matter what they are. Okay, so let's start with what I thrifted. That was 2 weeks ago. So that is this. This will be in there. All right. And I will start this at $10 that I know. If I know the starting bid, I'll just say it now. It'll be easier when I list things. You know what? Maybe I'll just do that just for fun, just because it's a friends and family kind of week this week. I know that's who's going to be in the room. I'm just going to go with it. Okay. So next we have this. This was thrifted. I'm going to start this at 15. All right. This was thrifted. This is fabulous. I don't know. I might wait until this becomes, yeah, I kind of like it with this blouse actually. So what I'm going to do is wait until until it's not so fall out there. You know, when the weather gets warmer, it'll be good. I'm going to do this one. Going to start this one at 70. I'm going to start this one at what I paid for it. Actually, I'm going to start this at less than what I paid for it. This is going to be 45. These, I love these so much. This is all from the thrift video a couple weeks ago. I love these. I'm going to start these at 25. These are superb. What else is in here? Oh, this. I'm going to start this little sterling heart. This is so lovely. This is all sterling. And I'm going to start that here. This is what it looks like on here. Going to start that at 25. Yeah, this is fun. Great. Who needs to check the description box? Although it will all be in the description box of the auction tomorrow night for sure. So that you can refer to that if you want to send in any absentee bids. And your bid will not increase unless someone bids against you. So don't worry. Okay. And now what else from the thrifting? I don't see anything. Okay. So then we'll do the non-jewelry. This, the La Perla scarf. Oh, can I let it go? I don't know. I can do it. I can do this. This one I'm going to be starting at, I'm going to be starting this at 65. So that's a steal, actually. This, don't know what this is yet. I think it's a sleeper. I think these pearls are better than freshwater. I think they are South Seas. I am going to be starting this at 50. All right. This one, the Art Deco Amethyst Slice. I will be starting this at 120, which is a really good starting price for that. That is a rare one indeed. The lapis, well, it's turquoise. Sterling Findings. Turquoise with lapis. This is so great. Ooh, can I get it on over my reindeer ears? I can. Oh, yeah, this is really cool. Okay, this I am starting at 120 also. Oh, let me get these things off. And those came from my friend Gina Gay. She's been wearing them all season, and she sent me the link. So I got my own. I think they're very fun. And she has a great channel. I recommend her. She has been collecting jewelry for very many decades. She was an eBay seller when eBay first started. So she has great jewelry, great prices, and she's a great person too. So there is that. Okay. Which counts for a lot. Okay, this one I'm going to be starting at 100. It's magnificent. All right. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll research these more. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just let them go as is. And that'll be part of the fun this week. This one is the fluorite. And I noticed that this has, one of the beads has like half of it missing. It's still strung. And it definitely doesn't detract. It's not really noticeable, but it is definitely, chipped. So, but it's up here. It's up here. Doesn't detract. It's a beautiful necklace. I am starting this at 75. And this one, without the research, this is kind of fun. I'm just calling it without research, without anything. I love this. This is the book chain crystal. Ooh, look at that. This one I'm going to start at 75 as well. Okay. Oh, I forgot. This also came from thrifting. I'm going to start this at 75. That is ruby and spinel, I believe. Oh, you know what? I'm going to throw in these. These are from my own collection. These are ruby and diamond and 14 karat gold. And I'm going to be starting each one of these. I'll do it as a choice. You can do one or both. Whoever the winner is, I'm going to be starting them at 175 each. Okay. These are important. This is nice ruby, gold, diamond, etc. Okay. I just decided to throw it in right there. This one, the amazing sterling heart on the fob chain, I will be starting at 150. Okay, I know there's going to be silent bids coming in on that. The lariats with the freshwater pearls, going to be starting each one of these at 75. Such silly prices. Such silly prices. Okay. The crystal, I don't believe this is rock crystal. I think it is crystal. I should know by tomorrow night. I'm going to be starting that at 65. And the amber necklace, this is wonderful. This is very special. I'm going to be starting this one at 120 as well. And now, okay, all the little ones. And this is not the order that we're going to go in. It was just the easiest. So these starting at 20. This starting at 20. This is a natural Australian opal set in marcasite. It has a hairline crack, which does not affect the structure of it. It's still stable. I'm going to be starting this at $20. Should keep it, really. This I'm going to be starting at $20. Moonstone ring, carnelian, starting that at $20. Starting these at $20. Starting these at $20. Starting this at $20. This is all sterling. This fun one, this is a larger one. Starting that at $20. This is an old amethyst. Beautiful sort of wings. Starting that at $20. You get the picture. It's becoming apparent. Malachite heart, starting that. This is so cool. Look at that. $20. Moonstone earrings. $20. These are keepers actually, but I will let them go. And then finally, I love these, and I can't believe I'm doing this, but the Art Deco marcasite, I am also starting at $20. So I hope you can make it. I can't wait to be there with you. I will see you all tomorrow, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. I hope you can come. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. See you. Love you. Bye-bye.